Hey, Armored Up Girlfriend Tribe. We are going to just, I'm going to just hit the wheel and we'll just match the names up based off of the wheel. So here we go. So we have Iris. Oh, no, that's Debra. So I'm going to remove Debra's name, and then from here, we will see who's going to be paired up with Debra. Let's do it. Nicole. So Nicole and Debra will be Armored Up Prayer and Praise Buddies. Let's take Nicole out. So Sadita, that's me. Let's see who God is linking me up with. Lashay, my neighbor. All right, so that's confirmation. We had just said that we both are playing catch up, so look at God. Amen. So let's see who's next. So let's see who Kristin is with. Iris and Kristin are Armored Up partners. So I'm taking them off. Kim Gregory. Let's see who she's armored up with. Tracey. Wow. So Tracey, I always brag about you, so that should be an easy conversation. Amen. Then we have Michelle. Let's see who Michelle is armored up partner is. Are we short a person? I think we don't have even people. Am I missing somebody? I thought it was 14 people. Who did I not put on here? So Michelle and Kimberly Masters. And why do I have Pam as by herself? So let me whoever I'm missing is going to be Pam's partner. For some reason I'm short a person. Um or let's do this. Let's put everybody's name back in and take Pam's out. And maybe we could just do a triad just in case to make sure, because I think Victoria, wait, Pam and Nicole. No, we had Nicole. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just add everybody's name back in. And then what we'll do is Pam can just be a part of a triad, because I think with Victoria going out, we're odd number is why I think we don't have a total. We're down to 13 instead of 14. So my apologies for not even thinking about that ahead of time, because I would have just left everyone in. So we got Kristin, Sarita, Tracey, and did I do Diana? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm missing somebody. Pam. Oh, I'm not going to put Pam's name in because we're finding Pam's partner right now. So whoever this person is, you all are going to be a triad like the Trinity. So you get to hang out with us, Pam, me and Lashay. Woo woo. Excellent. So ladies, let's do this. We're going to armor up. All right.